So over here, you can see that I have a database table, and let's say what I want to do is I want to generate out reports on the basis of skill as the user needs the data. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around over here onto query, and then I'm going to go to design view right here. And over here in the expertise criteria, I'm just going to go around not on the expertise, but on the skill, because I want to filter out the data according to skill right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in the Lars brackets right here. And I'm going to say enter the skill level needed right here. So just going to go around and type in enter the skill level needed right here. So what this allows you to do is if I were to go around onto the dataset view, it asks me for the skill. But what I want is I want a report out of this. So let me just go around over here onto create right here. And once I go around over here, let me just create a report out of this right here. So a table of query is needed, as you can see. So let me just go around and type in advanced right here, just like this, and press enter. So this is what I have. So I'm just going to go around and create a report out of this. So I'm just going to select this, and I'm going to say yes right here. So a report is generated. Let me just close, and what happens is that this gets saved as a report, as you can see. So now the report is dynamic as well. So if I were to double click on this, it asks me for the skill level, as you can see. So if I were to type in basic and press enter, then it generates a report out as basic right here. If I were to go to design view, I can make adjustment over here as well. So I'm just going to go around and make the adjustment over here on the sum price and so forth. As you can see right here, you can go around and increase this out just like this. So let me just go around and select this out. Let me just go around, click on this and resize the space because I want to see the text. So if I were to go around onto the report view, it asks me, so I'm just going to say intermediate right here, press enter. It shows the intermediate things right here. As you can see, you can even see the total price right here. So if I were to close this right here, I can save this out, double click on this, and it asks me for this again. So let me just press advanced this time. So advanced just like this and press OK, and it shows the advanced skill level of things just like this, as you can see, and the report is generated accordingly. And that is how you can ask the data from the user itself so that the report can be generated on the basis of the query, as you can see right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.